Okay, so we are going to understand the concept of deferred revenue. Okay, so it is the amount of goods and services that have not been provided to customers against which the business entity has already received the payment. Okay, so we have written our technical definition. First of all, we will understand this and then we will move to our example to understand the definition. Okay, so it is the amount that is that is representing the worth of goods and services, okay, that have not been provided to customers, okay, have not been provided to customers against which the business entity has already received the payment. Okay, so it is the worth of goods and services which have yet to be provided to customers. Okay, in a nutshell, it is just a payment, or we can say it is just the worth of goods or services which have yet to be provided to the customers against which the payment has been received. So we will understand through this as an example. Okay, so let's suppose there is an ABC company and there is Mr. D who is a customer. Now what does ABC company do? It deals in foods and beverages. Okay, okay. Now what happens? Mr. D said that Mr. D is of the opinion that I will give to ABC company, okay, the amount of, let's say, $1,000, okay, in advance, okay, to ABC company for delivery of foods and beverages to Mr. D at a later point in time. Now what happens whenever these foods and beverages services will be delivered to Mr. D, such $1,000 will be considered as revenue. Okay, but as the delivery has not been made yet, so these $1,000 will be considered as unearned revenue. Okay, and followed by that, if let's say suppose in next financial year ABC company provides foods and beverages to Mr. D, in that financial year $1,000 will be considered as revenue. So let's say suppose the transaction of receiving $1,000 amount happened to be in financial year 1, and delivery happened in financial year 2. So in financial year 2, the revenue of $1,000 will be recognized, but these $1,000 will not be recognized in financial year 1 because the delivery of foods and beverages has not been made yet. Okay, so that's what we have in our concept, and that is that is the case that matches with the choice D. Okay, so choice D is correct. That's all for our solution. Thank you. However, you can note down sheet number 1, sheet number 2 onto your notebooks for future reference. Okay. Thank you.